About something sensitive, but it's not sensitive anymore. Let us stop having sexual relations when you are still young. Let us study to so many mambo ya sexual whatever, you'll do it after. There's a lot of time for you to engage in that. Okay? Because when you get pregnant, what happens to the boy who got you pregnant? Siski? Exactly. He goes on to study. Now wewe unaenda nyumbani and your life is almost over. Spread the word when you go for your chamas, when you go to church, mkienda maharusi, ambieni your mothers to go for checkups at least mara 4 before wapata watoto. Tumesikizana? The hospitals are there. The governor is going to open new hospitals, the community hospitals. When is it, Monga? Yeah, I think in March. So really, we have no excuse of not giving birth in hospital. When you're hearing, you're able to live. When you are hearing, you're living. Because even now, this very moment, imagine yourself being deaf. Just imagine yourself. You can't hear the car, you can't hear the generator, you cannot hear me speaking. How are you living? You know, but think about it, by the end of the day today, somebody will go back home being able to hear. They'll hear music maybe for the first time. They'll hear their child say, Mommy, Daddy, you know. Imagine the joy in their hearts. Imagine how they're feeling. So really, thank you, Jubilee, and I hope you're able to partner with us in doing much more things for our people. I work with kids a lot, and I'm happy to hear that most of the patients we have here today are kids, because I think by being deaf, you're denied so much. And of course, you can question God because he has his reasons. But this kid will grow up hearing, going to school, you know, living out their dreams. And there's no better way to live God's purpose for your life in this world. The message through the years has been that we can all become cancer ambassadors, and we should not try in spreading the word about the importance of cancer screening. Cancer is not an easy disease. Tunajua si ugonjwa rahisi. That one we cannot deny. And when it comes, the whole family is strained. Let's see what more we can do today, because sometimes cancer kuja kwa familia, tunatenga watu, we don't want to visit them, try kujihusisha nao, tumekapata cancer, hapana. If I have cancer and you come to my home, tunakula na wewe utapata cancer. You know? And let us not shun anybody with cancer, because they need our love, they need our care, and above all, we must pray together for us to overcome these life hurdles. And it's very good news that in the next financial year we'll have a cancer center. That way, if you have cancer, you don't have to go to Kenyatta or to the private hospitals in Europe, which are very, very expensive. Tutakuwa tumeenda to level 5 and you get good treatment. Indeed, good things come to those who work hard, those who keep the faith. And it is in this way, through partnerships, that we reduce the cancer cases in our county, and families do not have to strain anymore because of cancer. Let us ensure we get screened today, and when we go back home, spread the word about the importance of cancer screening. I urge all of us to be active in our daily lives in whatever way we can, because once you're active, you keep the doctor away. Leading an active life keeps at bay most lifestyle diseases like diabetes, heart disease, obesity, cancer, etc. So let us move in whatever way we can. On more partnerships, the Universal Healthcare Program was officially launched on Saturday in Kevaani by Waziri Cicely Karaoke and our governor. And with this, we will have the best healthcare in the country. And we are hoping once it's rolled out to the other counties in the continent. All the services will be free, so I urge all of us to register, because it benefits each and every one of us, benefits each and every home. So do not be told there's an exterior motive in registering a partner. Register and you get to go on, get free services for free from December once the President launches the program officially. In the next financial year, Machakos County is planning to set up a cancer center, and this is music to my ears. I cannot wait to open the center, because this is what we've been working hard towards. It's clearly written, so the world may hear, so Kenya may hear, so Machakos may hear. It's here, what I'm reading. So Machakos, we are ready for hearing, and thank you very much, Saki Foundation, na karibuni tena na tena. Machakos, welcome very much and God bless you for the fantastic work you're doing. Girls run the world. Sawa sawa, you are anything and everything you want to be. I wish to thank our President, Uhuru Kenyatta, who assented to the Basic Education Amendment Act of 2017 that was to see all school-going girls access free sanitary towels. And I need the ministry to implement the same because 2 years later, it has not been implemented. We are waiting because it is a basic need and our periods do not know how to wait. I urge the ministry as well as county governments to provide innerwear for all school-going girls because some girls cannot afford to change during their cycle, hence infections, a sense of low self-esteem, and lack of concentration in class. Somebody asked about committing suicide. Why would you want to commit suicide? Why? Do not ever think about committing suicide. Sawa sawa, even if life imeharibika, do not ever think about committing suicide. Sawa sawa. Mindset. Always be happy. Life is like this. You're happy, you're sad, things are up, things are down, but mindset is everything. Sawa sawa. Be happy always, be good to other people, and do unto others what you want done unto you. I wish you girls the very, very best, and I hope to see you guys in the future looking your very best. Again, who runs the world?